Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to make a list. So to make a list, you're going to hit the word stat. So this key right here, stat, and you should come up with this menu. Whether you have a fancy smancy, whatever, that's what you should come up with. Now, if you have a TI, what was your calculator that you used last year?
The Inspire CX.
Yeah, if you use the Inspire CX, you have a whole different, we have to figure that out. Nolan can teach you. Is that what you have? Hey, go show her how to get a list. What? Oh, Sophia. Sophie. Okay, so now where it says edit, you can type in 1 or you can hit enter, as long as you're on edit. Okay, so do you guys have anything in your list? Okay, if you have anything in your list, scroll up to where L1 is highlighted, okay? Hit clear, don't hit delete, hit clear. If you hit delete, it's a whole different ballgame. So you're going to hit clear and then scroll down and your list should go away. So that's if you had anything. If you don't have anything, you don't have to do that. So again, you guys, if you didn't have anything in your list, you didn't have to do that. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to type in the numbers. And you're going to type in all of these numbers into the list and just go straight down the list. So 57, I just want to show them really quick. So 57, enter. 61, enter. 57, enter. 57, enter. And you just keep going. And just keep going until this whole chart is there. We'll find out how good you're at putting numbers into a list, because it depends on the crowd went wild. Okay, so now we have a list. From the list, we're going to make our histogram. So we're going to hit y equals. I lied. Don't hit y equals. Hit second y equals. So hit the second, and then the y equals. The first plot needs to be on. All the other ones need to be off. So there's a couple ways that you can do it. You can go down, scroll down, and hit them all off, and then click on one and turn it on. I have my plot on. You guys, if you click on it, you can see on or off. You can turn this off. I'm going to turn mine on. Now, see how you have all of these graphs. So you're going to scroll down. So you scroll down, but to get to the other histograms, you're going to scroll over. And you want the bar one. See where it's blinking? That's the one that you want, and you're going to hit enter. Now, you have to remember where you put your data. I put my data into list 1. Anybody put it in a different list? You're like, oh, I don't remember. It's okay. You can get out of this and go back. But if you put it in a different list, all you would have to do is hit like second 1, second 2, second 3, and that tells you what list to go in. And then you hit 1. Now here's the tricky part. You do not hit graph when you make a histogram. You hit zoom, and then you're going to hit 9. I know it doesn't show up there, but you're going to hit 9. And what that does is it zooms in and it fits the window. That's our histogram. So again, I'm just going to go through this for the video, you guys. So again, you hit stat, edit, put your numbers into list, put all of your numbers. So we're doing one unit variant, we're doing unit variant data. So everything's going to go into one list. So you don't make multiple lists, you make one list. Then to graph it, or to make the histogram, you're going to hit second, y equals. It doesn't matter which plot you choose, just pick one, hit equals, enter, I shouldn't say equals, hit enter. Scroll down, click the bars. You can hit what list by hitting second 1, second 2, and then to graph it, we're going to hit zoom 9. Right now, we're happy with this window, and that's how we're going to leave it, and we're going to make some discussion about this one. We'll come back to when we change the windows.